So previously what we were doing, we were creating the table. But the problem in the table actually, when you have more number of data, okay, like if we have like 4 or 5 data, then it will be not the issue. But if suppose you have a lot of data, then what we will do? Suppose if you going on the real time scenario, go to Amazon. Okay, 1 second. Where that coming? Okay, so now see here, you getting different brand here. Okay, and now you can see that one scroll bar is there in the bottom. As you will put cursor over that, then you will get this symbol left side also and right side also, and even in the bottom this design. Where is that application? Okay, so now here you can see that as you will put cursor over this one, now you can't observe anything. Okay, but as you will put cursor over this one, what will happen? You will get one scroll bar. See, this scroll bar came, but when you will move out your cursor, that scroll bar gone. Slider type. Second thing, this icon, this icon. As you will put cursor, you will get this icon. Same type, when you will put cursor, you will get this scroll bar. If you're not putting, then you will not get. Same thing, now move right side. See, suddenly when you put the cursor, you got this icon. Go bottom, where is the scroll bar? Yeah, scroll bar is there, but this is that side. So, okay. So why it going inside? These all are inside that we are using table. Okay, and in the table, or you can tell that some data is there, which is a lot, means more number of data. In that case, what is happening? Some of the data is going inside. As you will scroll, the data is coming. Okay, now we are getting the pictures. So those all pictures are coming out from the inside. It is available inside, but when we will scroll, those image will be come outside. So why we are doing this one actually? So we have more number of data. So due to that, due to more number of data, some data gone inside. Otherwise, what will happen? Your website will get damaged. Okay, it will be not proper. The website become not proper. So due to that, what we are doing, we are keeping data in the some fixed area. Okay, that all data have to inside that itself. It not have to stretch out. Let's go to paint.
सर साउंड ब्रेक करके आ रहा है.
सबको हो रहा है क्या?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
और किनको हो रहा है?
No, sir.
Okay. तो देखिए.
Akash, sir.
Oh. So now see, if we are putting data here, okay, suppose your data, what you want means your data like image is there, your image is going up to here, suppose that, okay, but what will happen if it will go outside? This is the boundary, and your image, whatever data is there, it have to be inside this section only. Okay, it should not have to go outside, because outside nearby some other space is there, some other content is there, correct? So if this will go outside, it means it going to occupy the space of this content. Clear? So due to that, what will happen? Your this content will move somewhat there, means some here, something will move here, means your website will get damaged. It will not come in the proper structure. Okay, so due to that, what we are doing, we have to fix the area. We have to tell that the data have to available in this itself. You have more or less, that's not the matter, but you have to manage the in that case. Suppose you have 50 rupees, and if you're going outside, and if you have to purchase something, but price of that is like 100 rupees, what you have to do? You have to manage in that 50 itself. Otherwise, you will take that loan of 50 rupees from someone, that become the dues over you. So what we have to do here also, you have data and you have to occupy only that much area. So what we will do, like table concept. So suppose now we have less data. So due to less data, it's not the problem. But when we have more number of data, it become problem. Now I will not create the table. I have already this code here. I will just occupy this code. We already know how to create the table.
Sir, screen stuck हो गया sir.
सबको हो गया क्या? स्क्रीन स्टक?
नहीं सर.
No, sir.
No, sir.
रीज्वाइन कर लीजिए, नेटवर्क इशू होगा शायद कुछ. रीज्वाइन कर लीजिए. Okay, so what we are doing here, so we taken the table, we added some data. Okay, let's say reload the page. What happened? Your data is there, a lot of data. See, got it? It's going nearby. Okay, so what happened? Due to that much data, your website, the data are going inside. Due to this, what happened? Your website is now shakeable. Complete content is moving. But if you're looking to the image, and suppose what is happening when we are scrolling this one, your this section is scrollable, not the complete website. जब आप स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है, ये हमारा ये सेक्शन स्क्रॉल कर रहा है, ना कि पूरा वेबसाइट हमारा चेक कर रहा है. बट हमारे केस में क्या हो रहा है, हमारे केस में क्या हो रहा है, हम पूरा वेबसाइट ही हमारा चेक कर रहा है. आप देखिए, ये पूरा कंटेंट आपका मूव कर रहा है, ऊपर का जो लिखा हुआ है ये भी मूव कर रहा है. मतलब क्या हुआ, ये कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमारा वेबसाइट का जो कंटेंट है ऊपर, ये एडजस्ट रहना चाहिए, वो मूव नहीं करना चाहिए. आप सबसे नीचे जाइए, मान लीजिए यहाँ कुछ और कंटेंट स्टार्ट हो सकता है ना, हम लोग कोई कंटेंट पास कर देते हैं यहाँ पर। अब क्या हुआ, जब हम डेटा अगर ज्यादा रख दिए तो देखिए ऊपर और नीचे दोनों कंटेंट आपका मूव कर रहा है, बट रियली में होना क्या चाहिए, सिर्फ आपका ये टेबल मूव होना चाहिए, टेबल स्क्रॉलेबल होना चाहिए, ना कि पूरा वेबसाइट। तो करेंगे क्या एक्चुअली, जो यहाँ डिप सेक्शन लगा हुआ है ना, यहाँ पे आप एक ओवरफ्लो स्टाइल लगाइए, एक सीक्वेंस पास कीजिए और लगाइए ओवरफ्लो। मतलब आप क्या बता रहे हैं कि हमारा डेटा क्या है, ज्यादा है। किस डायरेक्शन में ये डेटा ज्यादा है, एक्स एक्सिस पे या वाई एक्सिस पे, किधर डेटा ज्यादा है, एक्स एक्सिस में ज्यादा है, तो यहाँ पे हम बताएंगे उसे किस डायरेक्शन में, तो एक्स एक्सिस पे, तो ओवरफ्लो हम लगाएंगे एक्स पे, ठीक है। और ओवरफ्लो लगाने के बाद इसका वैल्यू को चेक कीजिए क्या क्या है, ऑटो है, स्क्रॉलेबल है, विजुअल है, ऑटो कर दीजिए, सेव कीजिए। देखिए अब क्या होता है, क्या हुआ, अब आपका यहाँ पे स्क्रॉलेबल आया है, बट ये क्या कर रहा है, आपका वेबसाइट को स्क्रॉल नहीं कर रहा है, बल्कि आपके टेबल का कंटेंट को स्क्रॉल कर रहा है। आपका देखिए वेबसाइट का कंटेंट सारा फिक्स है, टेबल का डेटा ज्यादा है, कोई इशू नहीं, बट आपका वेबसाइट फिक्स हो गया और आपका कंटेंट मूव कर रहा है। एक काम हम लोग करते हैं, हम लोग डीप पे लगाए हैं ना, हम लोग इसे टेबल पे लगाते हैं, नीचे हमारा टेबल टैग रखा हुआ है ना, उस पे लगाते हैं। देखिए क्या होगा, क्या लगता है वर्क करेगा या नहीं करेगा? हम्म, आउटपुट
करेगा
क्या है?
सर, टेबल पे करेगा सर,
करेगा
पूरा
सर
टेबल
टेबल
स्क्रॉल
पे।
होगा।
करेगा, चलिए सेव कीजिए। क्या हुआ, आपका टेबल नहीं स्क्रॉल हुआ, पूरा वेबसाइट स्क्रॉल हो गया, दिख रहा है, मतलब काम नहीं किया। समझ में आ रहा है ना? ध्यान रहे, इसलिए हम टेबल पे नहीं लगाएंगे, बल्कि उसे एक डिव सेक्शन में हमें ऐड करना है। क्लियर? ये छोटा सा मिस्टेक है जो हम लोग जनरली कर ले सकते हैं। हाँ बोलिए।
But why it's not working, sir?
Maybe because I have not idea completely, but see, if you will pass inside the div, then it's taking one section. That is the case actually, I think. I have not the idea that why it not working.
Sir, we can say this is not any section or any block.
Sir, because of using this overflow and full table, so that's why it will.
Like that means we are providing one section, we are keeping inside. But just you can check that in the Google that why it working on the div, why not in table. Okay. But what we will do, not only div actually here. You can take anything like section, anything you can pass. That will work. Means one extra tag we have to pass over the table, then only it will work. Got it? It's not that div only. No. Anything should be there extra. Inside that we have to keep the table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what happened? We got the scrollable for that table data, not the complete website. Okay. So always we have to follow like this. See that in a margin side, same thing is coming. A scroll bar is there and your data, whatever is inside, it's coming out. Clear? Same thing you can see here also. No, here not. So many time they are using like this. Here no. Got it? So when you have more number of data like this type, you have to display that one. A responsive table will display a horizontal scroll bar if the screen is too small. Got it? Means when a screen size is small, it will got that scroll bar and display the full content. Resize the browser window to see the effect. Now we had added a lot of data. That's why you getting this one. If you will add a less number of data, just a 5 column, that time you will not get that issue. What you can do, you can resize this screen. Then suddenly you will get this bottom scroll bar. When you will means when more data is there, that time you can see that. But here we had added a lot of data. That's why we can easily rectify. We can easily visualize that one. Clear? Because see, this is very important, because whenever we are working on the data side, table or that, this become the problem a lot. And due to that, your website gets, see, whenever you're working on the real-time project, okay, you have to take care regarding this scroll bar. This scroll bar should not have to come for the complete website. Take care this thing. Otherwise, you have to find out where is the problem, from which CSS it will become the problem. So whenever we writing code, we have to take care regarding the each line. Okay, clear? Anyone have doubt? Then tell me. So here what happened? A scroll bar are hidden by the default and only show when being used, even though overflow scroll is to set. Okay. So let's see anything more about there. So overflow. Let's remove. What are different value? Hidden. Let's see what happened. In the case of a hidden, what is happening? A scroll bar is got hidden. But what about the data? Is it coming from the inside? No. Means
No.
whatever data is inside, that is not coming out. In the sense, what happened? We lose the data. Let's do one thing. Zoom in. See. Now it's coming. Correct. But that scroll bar we had used hidden. That's why the data is not coming out. Or everything got hidden. And the scroll. This is by default. We getting the scroll bar itself. Okay. Different values of the overflow. Visual. Let's save. Let's see what happened. A scroll bar gone and it came in the bottom. Means complete website starts checking. So what we have to do? We have to always go with auto or a scroll. Clear? This is the thing. Okay. Now let's go deep. Then table property. What is that? Border. Set all the border property in one declaration. Means for all the border we can write one, or otherwise we can pass a separate. Second, border collapse. What is this one? What it will do? Border collapse.
It is collapse between
Two border.
two row.
Removing
Yes.
the removing
Two row
a
or
space between the
we can tell two cell also. Correct. Second,
Yeah.
border spacing. Border spacing. Specify the distance between the border of the adjacent cell. Whatever gapping is there, we can adjust. Then caption side, then cell, empty cell, table layout. Okay, how we can pass empty cell? Suppose we have to add one cell but no data. What we will do?
Only we will pass the tag.
Sir, just
Yeah.
add a TD tag.
Correct. So we will just add one TD tag. That's it. Next, display property. Let it to be this display. 1 second. Lock inline. None. Okay, hide. Okay, fine. Let's see. What is block level element?
Sir, it's occupy full line, sir.
Yeah.
It's block the
Line.
line. Sorry, sir.
No.
Right to left. Sir, it's occupy full right to left.
It occupied whole
give.
horizontal view.
Sir, it will break
Yeah.
into new line and it will occupy in complete width.
Yeah, complete width, left to right, horizontal. That's okay, fine. What is inline?
It will occupy in
It
text
takes as much as
with,
we
with text.
Yeah. So as much text, I mean, say bits of the text, as much that bits is required according to text, that much only. Correct.
It
Now
does not start new line.
Yes, sir.
it will continue in the same line. Suppose now be written hello and be written hello world. Let's save. Now we got this hello world. Okay. But what is my requirement? My requirement is not to break into new line. Okay. I want both the text continue. How can do? Means in the same line. Now it is block level. I want to make it like inline. What we can do?
Display name.
Okay. So one option is we can use the inline element. Correct. If we will take inline element, then also we can get correct. But this is the direct complete another option. But I want in the block level element itself to make as inline. What is the property? That is a display. Okay. Let's write that style. And what is that? That is H1. Okay. So what we want? We want to convert into inline. We will use the display property, and display property will help you to converting one form to another form. Okay. So this is in block level element. I want to make as inline. Let's save. Got it. These both are in the block level, but even they are block level, we can use the display property, and with the help of display property, it got converted into the inline. Now nobody can tell that this is inline element, means this is block level element. Correct. Let's write here background color and see. Here also it's working fine. Yeah. Otherwise, just comment this line and see. Got it? Clear? So this way, what we can do, we can convert one form to another form. Now second, take a span. What is a span?
Inline element.
Element.
It's inline. Yeah. So now see, we had used here hello span and it coming inline, means this H1 got completely inline property. Okay. And now this hello span is coming nearby because this both become the what? Both become block now inline. So next requirement. This both are inline, but I not want to inline. I want to block level element. What we can do? Go with the tag. Sorry. Okay, what is the type of selector? What type of selector we are using right now?
Simple
Let's
select.
take a simple selector. We are using the tag.
Tags.
Okay. So now this is your inline element, but now I want to convert it into the block level. So what we will do? We will take the display
Inline
and
block.
what? That is a block
Block.
and save. Now see. Now let's verify with the background color. Really this working in the block level. So yeah,
Yes.
clear. So this time what we are doing, we converted one form to another form. Means this block level element into inline or inline element into block level element. Anything more is pending in this one? Any more conversion? Only two type possible, correct?
Display flex, how
What
to work?
what
We will see.
what
We will
sir?
see that in
Here
the
is
upcoming
one.
CSS.
Sir,
What you
what
tell?
in hello and explain between not have a space. Sir. Full
Hello.
background color red.
Yeah,
Explain.
because both are coming actually. Both contain the same type. That's why. If you want a space, then put just break.
Sir, when I use inline background property, it's coming space some space.
Okay, according to that means inline property.
Yes,
That one you
block.
telling.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Maybe due to some property means by default padding is there. Maybe due to padding it come. Left
Okay.
padding will be there, na? Then it will come here.
Okay.
That's not the issue. Means this way what we are doing, we making duplicate one form to another form. We will see another also flex is there and those in the upcoming CSS. But this type what we are doing, we are converting from one form to another form. Okay. Any doubt? Then tell me. Next property is display none, visibility hidden. Take care properly because this is most important. Are you all practicing the code or not? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, don't break the practice of code, okay? Otherwise, it will be harmful for you. Okay, so what is that? Display none. Let me copy this code. So see here. What is written? Just only one CSS. Nothing is there. Here is one class that is hidden. Let's remove this all. Okay. Now only one class means only one that is this class hidden. We added here h1 dot hidden equal to display none. When we writing like this type actually, when we are writing that one,
Sir,
we can write that.
Sir,
when
it
create the
means
relationship between the class and text.
Anyone others?
So when we
What we
want to
had
the
this?
hide our, so when we want to the hide the our content, at that time we writing this.
What a hide?
Hide,
No,
hide.
don't go hidden.
Sir, it's not means showing the text, so that is called display none.
Oh my God. See,
So
But,
display
don't go
none,
this.
but it occupy the space.
1 second. What is my question?
Sir,
My
asking
question
about
is
h1
we
dot.
had written here. Correct. H1 dot hidden. Why we writing like this? Why not? We can write directly dot hidden also. It will work. But why we written like this? H1 dot hidden.
Because sir, we have to target the particular tag.
Correct. We going to target that particular tag. So in that case, we have to use like that type. Even if you writing directly class name or tag, that will also work. But when you have multiple, that time it will create the problem. Okay. So that's why we are using like this type. Okay. So display none. Let it to be. We not have idea. Go next here. Visibility hidden. Let's comment this one. Let's save. And now see what is happening. So what happened? Display none is there. Okay. Be not getting any content on the browser. Let's say inspect. Display none means it will not show anything. Okay. Display hidden, that will also not show anything. But let's do one thing. H1. What is happening actually? What are you observing? Yakub, what are you observing here? Aswini, what are you observing?
Sir,
Sir, space.
space.
The observing a space. Okay. But that's not the case. It means, yeah, space, that's okay, fine. Let's do one thing. But where is this text? This is a hidden heading. This is not appearing. Correct? Do one thing, just inspect. And let's see, we getting something or not. Let's move to desktop view. Yeah. Now just see. So just to go to the content middle of hello and world. Where is that? Let's open this section. This one is the hello. Okay. Below some content is there and world is there. Correct. So in the DOM, you getting this content. Which is that hidden, you getting here. But due to this display none property, what is happening? Content is not appearing on the UI side. Correct? Content is not appearing. Now do one thing. Use this line and comment this line. What happened? What you observed? Now
Text
visibility,
More
it's big, came with more space. Visibility hidden is there now. And the display none is not there. Now see. Now display none is there. Correct? And now uncheck this one. Now see your content is visual. Correct? But when we using visibility hidden, what is happening? In the case of visibility hidden, it in the both case, content is hidden. That is the point. First. Second point, in the case of visibility hidden, content is not visible, but it occupying the space in the UI. Clear? Whatever space it should be, it should want, that is occupying there. In the case of what? Visibility hidden. But in the case of display none, content is there also hidden. Let's see. Content is hidden here also, but content will be not available on the UI also, and it will not use, it will not keep the space. Got it? Write down. Write down display none. Display none. It will hide the content. It will hide the content. It will hide the content on UI. It will hide the content on UI. It will display none. It will hide the content on UI. Okay. Second thing, in that itself, let's continue. It will hide the content on UI, and it will, what will happen? A space it will occupy or not? A space? No. So write down, it will not keep the space. It will not maintain. It will not maintain. It will not maintain the space, a space according to the tag. It will not maintain the space according to the tag. Means whatever space is required for the, according to the tag, it will not keep that also. Clear? Display. If you want, you can write the examples like this type. Done. Can I proceed next?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down next. Visibility hidden. Visibility hidden. What is happening? Content is hidden here also from the UI. Same line which you written on the top. Write new next line. What will be next line? What about the space?
It will hide the content, but
It's ma-
It will
it will also
maintain the space.
occupy the space.
Yeah,
Yes.
it will keep maintain the space. It will occupy the space. Write down that one. It will also hide the content, but it will keep the space. But it will keep the space where?
On UI.
Where it will keep? On UI. Clear? Written. Anyone have doubt? Then tell me. This is very important actually. Okay. In interview, they are asking a lot this point. So this is here, that is example. Display none and display that visibility hidden. So here you can see that display visibility none, something examples is there. So there are two property, display property, visibility property. Display property, it going to specify how an element should be displayed, and visibility, it will specify whether our element should be displayed or not. Here that difference is written, whatever we had written just now, visibility and that. It will not keep the space on the UI / DOM. Content will not visible, content will be not visible. Okay, and content will be not visible here also. Clear? So what we had discussed, we discussed regarding the table, then we discussed regarding the overflow content, if you means for making the table responsive, then we discussed about the which one, visibility property, then 1 second. Table border, then we discussed regarding the list property. So anyone have doubt, then tell me, because these all whatever we had discussed, these all are in the real time, you have to use a lot actually. Okay, now let's go to the position is there. Okay, just we will complete this width. Okay, what is the use of width, Chitresh? What is the use of width?
It is used for increase size left to right.
Hmm. So if you want some space in the left or right, then we can use, or even, yeah, so then we can use the width property for increasing the width. Second thing, what is max width? So see, do one thing, we will write some code on width property. Okay, then we will see that what is
Sir,
happening.
max width automatically arrange the data, sir, according to a scheme.
Erase the data.
Arrange the data, sir.
Okay, arrange. Okay. So see here, what is happening actually. One second. Now tell me, now see. One second. Where it arranging? Oh, both having border property. Let's comment this also. Okay, width is there due to this. One second. Why it not coming? Many time this will create the problem. Let me see the examples. This one. Sometime it will come. Sometime that's not coming.
Sir, same problem, sir.
Let me go to don't take width. Okay, take width. Wait,
Sir,
now it will come. Yeah, got it.
yes, sir, ban increase the width. That time you can
Now
go
wait,
the
see. Now see what happened. Actually, we taken the width as 2500. Okay, and due to that, what happened? You got the scroll bar because now in the table we was adding that responsive. Okay, when we not giving that overflow the X auto, that time what was happening, the content was going as much it possible. Same thing is right now, we fixed that some area. What we fixed that width, nothing is there extra. This border and this that, nothing is there. Border is just for namesake, for showing purpose. If you will comment, then also it will find. See, then also be getting this scroll bar because the border is just for the showing purpose. So what happened when you fixing the width, then what happened, the content will be try to adjust in that much area. जब आप width आप फिक्स कर दे रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, कंटेंट आपका उस एरिया में अपने को ऑक्यूपाई करके एडजस्ट करना चाहेगा। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जब आपका ये बहुत ही ज्यादा अगर आप फिक्स कर दे रहे हैं तो आपका ये वेबसाइट में क्या होगा, स्क्रॉल बार आ जाएगा। इसलिए ये ध्यान रहे कि आपका स्क्रॉल बार ऐसा नहीं आना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो इस चीज से हम बचेंगे कैसे, अगर ये प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है तो ये हमने अभी क्या किया, हम लोग यहाँ पे लिए विड्थ प्रॉपर्टी। विड्थ प्रॉपर्टी में ऐसा हो रहा है, तो मान लीजिए हमें बचने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इशू को रिजॉल्व कैसे करेंगे, तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, हम लोग लेंगे मैक्स विड्थ, जो आपको नीचे लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है मैक्स विड्थ। और मैक्स विड्थ में क्या पास किया हुआ है, 500। सपोज यहाँ पे 500 के बदले में अगर हम 25 भी पास कर देना, तो देखिए क्या होता है। एक बार क्या हो रहा है आपका मैक्स विड्थ वाले कंटेंट में, यहाँ दिख रहा है ये कंटेंट लास्ट कहाँ इन हो रहा है, यहाँ पर ही। बट इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, ये जितना इस जगह दिया गया ना, वो उतना में चला गया रहने के लिए। जैसे आपको मान लीजिए शॉपिंग करने के लिए अगर घर से पैसा मिले, तो आपको ये नहीं सोचिएगा कि हाँ हमारे पास पैसा इसको सेव करना है, जितना मिला सबको उड़ा देंगे। वही चीज है, यहाँ भी वही हो रहा है। इसके पास कंटेंट क्या हो रहा है, जितना भी आ रहा है ना, लेकिन ये स्क्रीन में एडजस्ट कर ले रहा है, इससे आगे नहीं जा रहा है कंटेंट। बट ऊपर वाला क्या कर रहा है, ये कंटेंट के अंदर जा रहा है, मीन्स ब्राउजर के अंदर जा रहा है, जितना दूर तक जा सकता है वहां तक ही जा रहा है। समझ में आ गया। तो यही केस होता है विड्थ एंड मैक्स विड्थ में। तो विड्थ में क्या करता है कि हमारा कंटेंट ज्यादा होगा तो वो अंदर चला जाएगा, तो उससे बचने के लिए और वो चीज को एडजस्ट करने के लिए, सेव करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, हम लोग यूज करेंगे मैक्स विड्थ। और मैक्स विड्थ आप जैसे ही दीजिएगा, तो वो जो प्रॉब्लम जो ये कंटेंट ज्यादा होने का जो आ रहा था, वो आपका मैक्स विड्थ क्या करता है, इशू को रिजॉल्व कर देता है। तो अब क्या करते हैं, इसे कमेंट कीजिए और इसके बाद देखिएगा स्क्रॉल बार आपका नहीं आएगा, नीचे का स्क्रॉल बार गायब हो गया। हमें वही चाहिए, स्क्रॉल बार हमारा क्या होना चाहिए, गायब होना चाहिए। और आपका कंटेंट क्या हुआ, स्क्रीन का जितना साइज है उसमें वो एडजस्ट कर लिया। तो मैक्स विड्थ के साथ हमें यहाँ पे मार्जिन ऑटो लेना चाहिए, ताकि ये कंटेंट हमारा क्या हो, प्रॉपर रहे, मार्जिन एडजस्ट करके। ठीक है, तो इस टाइप से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग यहाँ पे अगर आप मार्जिन ऑटो वहां भी ले लीजिएगा, देखते हैं क्या होता है। सेव कीजिए, क्या हुआ, फर्स्ट वाले में हमने विड्थ लिया, मार्जिन ऑटो दिया, कोई फायदा नहीं, क्योंकि वो कंटेंट जितना है उतना वो ऑक्यूपाई करेगा ही करेगा। लेकिन आपका मैक्स विड्थ के केस में क्या हो रहा है, ऐसा केस नहीं है। यहाँ मैक्स विड्थ में क्या हो रहा है, जितना कंटेंट है वो एडजस्ट कर लेगा। यहाँ दिख रहा है, ये एडजस्ट कर लिया। समझ में आ गया? तो यही आपका सीन है। अगर आप चाहें तो नोट डाउन कर लीजिए इसे, नोट डाउन कर लीजिए। विड्थ में और मैक्स विड्थ में, विड्थ में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। अगर हम विड्थ लिख रहे हैं तो प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है, आपका वेबसाइट रिस्पॉन्सिव नहीं बनेगा। क्यों नहीं बनेगा? क्योंकि उसमें क्या होगा, नीचे एक
सर
बॉटम में क्या होगा,
सर कुछ डाटा लॉस हो जाएगा और नीचे स्क्रॉल बार आएगा सर।
हाँ हमारा नीचे में स्क्रॉल बार आ जाएगा, तो वो हमारा वेबसाइट को क्या करेगा, सेकेबल बना देगा। हमारा वेबसाइट सेक करेगा। सेक मीन्स क्या हुआ, हम इसे लेफ्ट राइट अगर स्क्रॉल करें, लेफ्ट राइट कर रहे हैं तो ये, अब यूजर को थोड़ी पता है कि आपका वेबसाइट में अंदर में डेटा है। यूजर को तो ये पता है कि अप एंड डाउन में डेटा है आपका, तो वो यूजर क्या करेगा, लेफ्ट राइट थोड़ी मूव करेगा। समझ में आ गया? आप ही अगर कोई वेबसाइट को ओपन करते हैं तो आप कभी भी लेफ्ट राइट में आप नहीं देखते हैं, आप ऊपर नीचे में स्क्रॉल करके देखते हैं। क्लियर? नोट डाउन कर लीजिए, यही चीज है इसमें। राइट डाउन। विड्थ, विड्थ में क्या क्या हो रहा है, विड्थ में क्या हो रहा है, विड्थ में हमारा कंटेंट जो है जितना दूर हम लोग पास कर रहे हैं उतना ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है। इट विल ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस, it will occupy the complete available space, complete available space of the width. It will occupy complete available space of the width. Due to that our website will be what, our website will be
Secondable.
sakeable, scrollable, sakeable. Our website will be sakeable or scrollable. That will be not proper. Clear? Go to the second line, max width. What will happen here?
It will auto adjust our data
Yeah.
according to UI.
It will auto adjust the size actually. Okay, it will auto adjust the content. It will auto adjust the content. It will auto adjust the content according to the screen. According to the screen. Second thing, सेकेबल होगा कि नहीं, नहीं आएगा.
No,
So
sir.
No, sir.
we will not get any scroll bar or website will be proper. We will not get any scroll bar, website will be proper. Clear? Anyone have doubt, then tell me. So keep in mind now what we had discussed today. We discussed regarding the visibility and display. Second thing, width and max width. These both things is too much important. Okay, in interview they are asking a lot this question.
Sir,
Let me stop. And yeah,
sir, we can use max height, sir. It's working, not working.
max height, it will work, but that will be no use actually, because
Sir,
as you
height
will pass
will
the
get
content.
automatically.
Yeah, because when we will pass content, automatic you will get this scroll bar right side. Correct.
Sir.
See here, as you will increase the content, what will happen? This scroll bar will come automatic now. Then it's no use, because the problem in the left side, left and right. Okay, so that's why we are thinking top and top. That's no need actually, but we can use that max height, max width, everything. Suppose if you will give, means if you going to fix that content area, if you fixing that max height is this much only, then it will be the problem, means it going to adjust, it will try to adjust in that section only, like here we passed. Let's see what will happen. max dash height and give only 250 pixel. Let's save. I think 250 is too much. Give just 2 pixel. That's not working.
Yes, sir. I'm also try this one. It's not working.
To work actually, it's not the issue. Let's go percentage. See. No, we can't check here. Allow authors to constrain contain height to a certain range. Viewport length. No, it's not working. We have to check this. Why it's not working? According to viewport, actually, this is going to adjust. Okay. So tomorrow, next day, what we will discuss, width and max width is completed. Already everything is written here. Okay. Whatever we discussed, the same thing is there. Second is the position. Okay. This is the most important topic. As like selector we had discussed, as like that itself, it's the most important. And whatever website we are designing right now, if you will understand this position concept, okay, so most of the content you can design. We will look this one tomorrow. If you want, then we can go through one, because by default this is a static. If you total, how many type of position actually? So there are total 5 types of position. How many types of selector?
5, sir.
5.
What are those all?
Simple combinator, attribute,
Simple selector, combinator selector,
Pseudo element.
pseudo class,
pseudo
pseudo.
element selector.
एक second. Pseudo class, pseudo element. Under which selector that is coming?
Pseudo elements.
That is inside
Pseudo class.
something. That is not under, comes under the types of selector.
No, sir.
No, sir, separate this is.
It's come under the type of selector.
Total
Child
5 types of
adjacent
selector.
and general sibling will be type of the combinator selector.
Means I telling types means that will be the second level. Correct?
Yes,
First we know 5 types of selector. What those all? First a simple selector, descendant,
Combinator.
Combinator.
combinator,
Pseudo class.
pseudo class,
Pseudo
pseudo class.
element.
Pseudo element.
Wait.
Pseudo element.
Wait. Pseudo class, pseudo element is not in the types. Type is total 5 only. Adjacent sibling,
Sir, in
general sibling.
in 5 pseudo class and pseudo element is there.
These
Sir,
are the
it is
combinator
inside the
types.
combinator selector.
Pseudo class.
No, sir. Adjacent sibling.
Pseudo
Adjacent.
class is
General
Okay.
sibling.
type.
Wait. Tell me. First, simple.
First is simple selector.
Next.
Second
Second one is
combinator.
combinator.
Pseudo
Third
class.
one is pseudo class.
Pseudo class.
Pseudo elements, sir.
Fourth one is pseudo element.
Last one
Then
Fifth is attribute selector.
Really? And where is descendant?
Descender is
Sir,
type of
descent is the type of the
Combinator.
combinator selector.
It is type of combinator.
Type of the combinator selector, sir.
Okay, maybe I forgot. Okay, so total 5 types here. So we have to keep in mind this all 5, and after this, what are the types is there of each one that we have to keep in mind. So as like the selector, it is most important. Like that itself, the property, which one? Display property. Yeah, display property. Sorry, position. So this position. The position also it is 5 type. There is no type of type. Okay, it is alone. So total 5 positions are there. First is static, second relative, next fixed, then absolute, sticky. Static means nothing by default. Whatever we are writing right now, that itself is static. Just to go through this. HTML elements are the position static by default. There is nothing. So static position elements are not affected by the top, bottom, left, right property. An element with properties position static is not positioned in any special way. It is always positioned according to the normal flow of the page. Means whatever we are doing right now, suppose we written something here. Now also the position is there. But what is that? That is a static position. Got it? If you're not writing any position, it means by default which position? That will be a static position. And the remaining these all four we will discuss tomorrow, because those all will be important. So it will be go slowly. Let's stop recording.